The Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer is a compact, healthier, and faster way to cook your meals. In this video, I will cover everything you need to know about this kitchen gadget. In my experience, it is very easy to use. The digital touch controls are user-friendly, easy to read, and help me start cooking quickly. It also features shake notifications, which I find incredibly useful since I often get distracted while cooking. These reminders ensure my meals are evenly cooked. I love having this in my kitchen and have really enjoyed using it every day. It makes delicious, crispy food without the extra calories from added oil. Plus, it's versatile. I've cooked everything from breakfast to dinner and even dessert. Cleaning is also a breeze. Cooking with this air fryer means fewer dishes to wash. And since it's dishwasher safe and non-stick, even hand washing requires minimal time and effort. One of my favorite things about this air fryer is its design. It is super compact, making it perfect for smaller kitchens. Measuring about 10 inches deep, 10 inches wide, and 8 inches high, it's also surprisingly lightweight at just 6 pounds. This makes it easy to move around and store when not in use. I also appreciate that it's made of aluminum and plastic, which gives it a durable feel even with daily use. The Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer was built with your kitchen in mind. It is simple, stylish, and easy to incorporate into your cooking routine. I highly recommend it to anyone looking to enhance their kitchen experience.